Gorgeous cabin well maintained nestled amidst 1.85 acres of picturesque, level terrain. This 3-bedroom/2-bath retreat offers the perfect blend of serenity and comfort. Inside, you'll find stunning all-wood floors that exude warmth and charm. Master bedroom and the laundry is on the main level. Open living room/dining and kitchen area with vaulted ceilings and a gas log fireplace. The highlight of this property is undoubtedly the beautiful private pond with a dock which can be enjoyed year-round. In addition to the cabin, a 2-car detached garage provides ample space for your vehicles and storage needs, outbuilding, tool shed and best of all a whole house generator. Screened porch and only minutes from Vogel State Park, Brasstown, and Helton Falls.